have a problem on how basically you can't delete your account on Tinder, here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix that problem. First of all, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen and then go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And then what you're gonna do, we're gonna double check if that Tinder app is fully updated to the latest version. So if you haven't updated already, make sure that you do. Now, what we gotta do next, we're gonna just go ahead and log in without our account and make sure that your account is verified. If your account is verified, that means that you're gonna be able to delete your account. Now, if you still facing that same issue, even though your account is verified, make sure that you have at least 3 photos of your verified self in order to delete account. Sometimes when deleting account, it says can't delete account. When this happens, you are probably shadow banned. Tinder won't let you delete your account when you are shadow banned. Therefore, this issue needs to be fixed. Lastly, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the Tinder help and support, and we're gonna go ahead to submit a request, right? And we're gonna explain to them that this situation, and we followed the community guidelines, but nothing worked. So what we can help with right here, we're gonna select the third option, a Tinder feature isn't working, and we're gonna enter our email address, phone number, and which feature is that, discovery, matching and messaging, profile and settings, and we gotta just select the matching and messaging, right? And then if you have a Tinder subscription, just hit the check mark, right? If you don't, just leave it out. Now what we're gonna type right here, we're gonna type, hey Tinder, I followed the community guidelines, but I can't get any matches or delete the account. Please help me, thanks. And lastly, if you want to add any attachments to help them see the problem, you're gonna be able to add it from here, and then we gotta submit the request, and we gotta wait a few days, and we gotta recover or we gotta lift the shadow ban from Tinder. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you